Okay, so I got the one that holds 6. It came with a lot of pieces, like every one of these metal pieces and this, and then this and that. It's a lot of pieces, and then the 2 bottom rungs, but it was pretty easy to put together. Like once I got the first one figured out, the rest just kind of went in order. Very simple. It does have a little extra space here because I have mine fully tight. If you have wider cans of anything, that may make more sense, but I have mine like fully pushed together, so easy to put together and easy to fit in the fridge. It does fit like 5 cans well. Like this is pushing back. I don't think I could get a 6 can in there, but it does the job and pulling the next can forward. Very easy to fill. I'm able to keep all of my beverages with the labels facing forward and nice and neat and organized. So, so yeah, extra space over here, and I still have extra room in my fridge. So it doesn't take up the entire space.
Best purchase ever.